Have you ever wondered how a dropshipping platform like Spocket handles all the money, from your monthly subscription to the orders you're processing for your customers? The world of e-commerce can feel like a maze, and when you're starting out, the last thing you want is to get tripped up by confusing payment processes. You're building a business, and every dollar matters. That's why today, we're demystifying exactly what payment methods Spocket accepts and how they work. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your account set up, process orders, and keep your business running smoothly without any financial surprises. First things first, let's talk about the subscription fee. To access Spocket's network of suppliers and their awesome products, you'll need to sign up for one of their paid plans. The great news is, they make this part super straightforward. You can pay for your Spocket subscription using a credit or debit card. Spocket also accepts PayPal for subscription payments, which is a popular choice for many online entrepreneurs. This means you have a couple of secure and internationally accepted options to choose from. Whether you're paying monthly or taking advantage of their significant annual discounts, these are the methods you'll use. But what about the actual orders? This is where it can get a little more interesting. When a customer places an order on your store, you need to pay the supplier for that product before they ship it out. Spocket's system processes this transaction seamlessly. For these orders, the accepted payment methods are credit cards and PayPal. Spocket uses a payment processor called Stripe to ensure all these transactions are secure and compliant with industry standards. While you don't need a Stripe account yourself, it's the technology working behind the scenes to make sure your payments to suppliers are safe. It's also important to note that Spocket offers a 14-day free trial on all of its paid plans. This is a fantastic way to test out the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business before you commit financially. When you sign up for the free trial, you'll still need to provide your payment details. This is standard practice for many subscription services to ensure a smooth transition to a paid plan after the trial ends. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial is over, and you can cancel at any time. So, to quickly recap, your Spocket subscription can be paid for with a credit/debit card or PayPal. When it comes to paying for customer orders, you'll use a credit card or PayPal as well. The system is designed to be as hands-off as possible for you, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. Spocket also has a helpful support center that can walk you through any payment issues you might encounter. If you ever see a transaction decline, they have a troubleshooting guide to help you figure out if it's an issue with your bank, your billing address, or something else. Understanding the payment methods is a crucial step in setting up a successful dropshipping business with Spocket. By knowing what to expect, you can get your store up and running faster and with greater confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.